Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix Apple Watch mirroring not working on iPhone in iOS 16 or later. Apple Watch mirroring is a great asset for people with physical and motor disabilities. What makes it so handy is the ability to let you control Apple Watch using your iPhone with the desired convenience. Thanks to the large and more responsive screen, invoking certain features or performing any gestures feels super convenient. Though a large number of users have appreciated this accessibility feature, some iPhone owners have complained that they can't control Apple Watch with their iPhone. If you are also one of them, these handy tips will help you fix the issue. That said, it's time to talk about the tips that can help you fix Apple Watch mirroring. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, I would like to talk about the compatibility. Make sure your Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Watch mirroring. Don't get me wrong, the reason why I recommend you tick off this requirement is that only the latest models support this notable accessibility feature, so ensure that you have Apple Watch Series 6 or later, including Apple Watch Series 7, Apple Watch Series 8, Apple Watch SE2 and Apple Watch Ultra. Then I would suggest you to check out your iPhone model. Another very important thing that you should check off without fail is that only the latest iPhone models support Apple Watch mirroring. Yeah, you got that right. If you were hoping that your older yet capable iPhone would let you control the Apple Watch, you would be deeply disappointed to know that Apple has locked this feature to newer models, so ensure that you have iPhone 8 or later to be able to use Apple Watch mirroring. Next up, I would suggest you to turn off on Apple Watch mirroring. Probably the easiest way to fix the Apple Watch mirroring not working problem is to just turn it off on. Considering how simple and effective it is, you should give it a try. First up, on your iPhone, go to the Settings app and then choose Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap on Apple Watch mirroring and then turn off the toggle. Now restart both your Apple Watch and the paired iPhone. Once your iPhone has rebooted, go back to the accessibility setting and then turn on the toggle for Apple Watch mirroring. Then after, try using the Apple Watch mirroring to figure out if you have overcome the issue. If you have, then it's time to rejoice. Then I will suggest you to hard reset your iPhone and Apple Watch. Another pretty reliable solution that you should try to resolve the issue is to hard reset your Apple Watch and iPhone. Considering how effective and easy it is, you should give it a try as well. To hard reset your iPhone, press and quickly release the volume up button. After that, press and quickly release the volume down button. Then you have to hold down the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And to hard reset your Apple Watch, you have to press and hold the digital crown and the side button at once until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Next up, I would suggest you to update the software on your iPhone and Apple Watch. If Apple Watch mirroring is still ill-functioning or not working as expected, there is a high chance that a software bug could be behind the problem. In this situation, the software update is always the best way to go. After all, it's well known for resolving bugs. On your iPhone, head over to the Settings app and then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and then download and install the latest iteration of iOS as usual. And to update your Apple Watch, navigate to the Watch app on your paired iPhone. Then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and then download and install the latest iteration of watchos as usual. Finally, I would suggest you to erase your Apple Watch and repair it with the iPhone. Yet to troubleshoot the Apple Watch mirroring problem, fret not. Now we will completely erase the Apple Watch and repair it with the iPhone. Since watchos is designed to automatically create a backup during the unpairing process, there is no need to worry about losing any media or data. On your iPhone, launch the Watch app and then tap on General. Then after, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. Then tap on Erase All Content and Settings and confirm the action. Once you have successfully erased your Apple Watch, open the Watch app on your iPhone, then tap on Start Pairing and then follow the instructions to pair the watch with your iPhone. That's all there is to it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix Apple Watch mirroring not working in iOS 16 or later. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.